Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will make sentences of given words. So let's start. Shine. The sun shines brightly. Play. I love playing with my friends. Favorite. My favorite color is blue. School. We go to school every day. Cook. My mom cooks delicious food. Write. He is writing a letter. Beautiful. I have a beautiful watch. Respect. I respect my teacher. Honest. She is an honest girl. Children. The children are happy. Helpful. This book is very helpful. Food. The food is tasty. Rules. She follows school rules. Award. My teacher gave me an award. Love. I love my parents. Garden. My garden has beautiful flowers. Mobile. He is using his mobile. Brother. My brother is very kind. Seed. Flowers have many seeds. Mother. I help my mother. House. My house is very big. Friend. Zubair is my friend. Teacher. We should respect our teacher. Book. This is my English book. Country. I love my country. Tree. Trees give us oxygen. Horse. The horse runs very fast. Pencil. I write with a pencil. Father. I love my father very much. Sky. The sky is blue.